Hi guys, welcome to my channel Bongness with Payal. So how are you? All of you, सब अच्छे हैं? Okay, so I am here today with another video of mine, and that is all about my night routine. So what I do at night, how I take off my makeup and how I actually remove it all, and what do I apply before going to bed. So I'm going to show you that one. Yes, it is night today and I just finished another shoot of mine, so as you can see that I'm already putting on makeup and all that. প্রচুর মেকআপ করে রয়েছি আমি, এগুলো পুরোটা তুলবো in the video and I'm going to show you how I do it. So चलिए देखते हैं साथ में कैसे मैं अपना मेकअप उतार के प्रॉपर क्रीम्स लगा के अपना नाइट रूटीन कैसे करती हूँ. आइए. As you can see, my face is completely full of makeup and all. So first I'm going to get rid of this. Yes, I'm wearing eyelashes which are false. So I'm going to take off these first. Yeah, these are the beauties. I love it. Now I've got this beautiful Asian look after I take it off. I have this micellar Garnier water which I basically use, but yeah, I just got a new one once again. पुराना ख़त्म हो चुका है. So I'm going to use it actually every time I use it, but basically what I'm doing right now is sustainability. जो घर पे है वही use करो, because this is lockdown again going on. So I'm using this one and I love it also. Let me tell you guys, I have a sensitive skin. I use this one often when it is summer and I use this one in winter. अभी summer है but फिर भी मुझे लगा चलो बचाते हैं, कुछ नया नया खरीदा है अभी. So yeah, I'm going to use it. Okay, and this is really good. I'm using Parachute and আমি এটা ইউজ করি মাঝে মাঝে এটা ইউজ করি, ডিপেন্ড করে আজকে আমার মনে হলো না, let me just use it. And people who have got this tendency of breakouts, যাদের পিম্পল খুব বেশি হয়ে যায়, I would tell first use the product and then understand which is good for you. Some people use normal moisturizers or creams also, so whichever is good for you, use that one. I'm going to just apply this one and just follow simple procedure of just putting it around my face. Yeah, it looks like this only once you get rid of your makeup. So basically I'm rid of my makeups. Now what I'm going to do next I'm going to use Kaya Youth face wash. This is what I use. I've just washed my face and this is how I look like. So this is my skin, and after this I use toner. This is refreshing clarifying toner from Himalaya. That is what I use. I have used organic West tea tree oil in this, if you can see this. So I use this one, a little bit of it I have put in this one because this is very good for pimples, and I have got good results, very good results in terms of frequent breakouts that I used to see every time, and it's painful and at the same time it decreases your confidence. So I'm just using a little bit of toner. That's it. Yeah, I'm using a very little bit of toner. Himalaya's toner is actually good for my skin. Like I told, I have sensitive skin, so I cannot just use something which is good for my skin. Well, generally I use this one, Biotic cream. This is what I use. This is Advanced Ayurveda Bio Wheat Germ cream, night cream. This is what I use. But nowadays I'm actually using this one. This is Sebon Care's Kumkumadi and Argan oil. This is again giving a very good result to me. This is definitely very good night cream for you. It tightens the skin and it's very good for skin. So this is what I have been using for years now, but I have recently shifted to this one. This is a little bit drop is required, and your skin is full of, it is radiant enough. When you get up in the morning it feels fresh and it is soft, and this one has been making my skin really soft, and the spots and things are gone with this. But this is something is making my skin glowing, so I like it, and it keeps my skin hydrated. So it is Sebon Care, Kumkumadi and Argan Oil Radiance Glow, Saffron, Redwood, Sandalwood, Red Sandalwood and Vitamin E. This is got. This is really cool. Pumped a little bit. It's a pump bottle. So I'm going to just put a little bit. a little bit to my lips because it has got vitamin E and it's really good for the lips as well. So always when you're putting creams, please make sure you do this upper way massage. This is really good for tightening your skin. Do not do it downward, it sags your skin and it looks really bad. So always go upward, even here also. And do not try to massage a lot. No, that's not good for your skin. So you do a little bit of massage and then you just pat, because if you do this then it penetrates the skin, otherwise it's just upar se. So do a little bit this one, and it's got beautiful smell. Okay, a little bit to your eyebrows. And I use this one, Almond Under Eye Cream from VLCC. This is my night routine that I do, and it's very simple. You guys can also follow, but 3 things always remember. If you're coming from somewhere, a lot of people have got this habit of not washing the face and just keeping it like that and go to bed. Don't do it. It's not good for your skin, because again it clogs the pores, and next morning when you get up you'll have pimples, and then you'll think, oh, what is it? Is it my digestive problem? Is it something else? No, it's nothing. It's just because you're not cleaning your face properly. Okay, you know, even if washing your face makes your skin really dry, so first what you do is put up bring out your makeup with something like the micellar water, or this is the best option, सबसे घरेलू उपाय, सस्ता उपाय, বাড়িতে এটা সবচেয়ে easily পাওয়া যায়, and just do it. It's very সস্তা. Don't have to buy it. For years I did not have this one. I have used only nargil tel. That's what I have used, the coconut oil. So after that, toning is very important. Please use toner. Toning is very important. So if you use a proper toner, cleanser, again I don't use cleanser because I just use a face wash. That's my way. And yeah, so I use this one, and after that I use this thing. This is really good, I tell you. Moisturizer, like everybody moisturizes the skin and then sleep, and now currently I'm using this one, and it's really amazing. As you can see the glow in my face, even I like the glow in my face, so I really like it. I really like it. Yeah, that's it. Have a nice sleep, guys. Enjoy the day, and definitely a brighter day and a safer day is coming tomorrow, we should always hope. So guys, this is what I do for my night routine, and what you guys follow, please comment down below. And if you really like this video, give some good amount of likes and please subscribe, guys. And that's it, guys. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay beautiful. Bye bye.